We all know the saying, treat others the way you would like to be treated. But this applies to every area of life. Yet, the smallest things are often overlooked. There's an attitude of, it's not my job. But if it were done unto you, would you be okay with it? Most of the time, the answer is no. If you wouldn't like it done unto you, then don't do it to another. There is such a lack of servitude and compassion. People thinking more about themselves, not considering they wouldn't like it done in return. Sorry, my child is screaming in the background. May we reflect and examine our hearts, because remember, if you wouldn't like it done unto you, then don't do it to another. And this goes for all areas of our life. So may the Lord bless you and be your strength in your daily walk.